इंडिया में लोग टैक्स क्यों नहीं देते हैं? Why is income tax not paid in India? There are three reasons for that. Number one, we believe that the income tax is charged at the 30% slab for all the income that we have earned. Number two, if I'm having a certain amount of corpus in my bank accounts already, I will be charged income tax on that. Number three, if somebody gives to me a certain amount, I will be charged tax on that income. So ये तीनों धारणाएं गलत हैं. All these three notions are wrong. Let's set aside all these three notions in today's video. Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja. I'm a dentist into 24th year of my practice, and along with the dentistry, I have been teaching and coaching colleagues since the past 10 years on the topics of practice management, medical legal consent and finance for dentists. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए तीन धारणाएं, तीन notions दूर करूंगा. Number one, income tax slab rates in India are at 5%, 20% and 30%. So if you earn an income of 20 lakhs, it does not mean that you will pay 20 into 30%, 6 lakhs of tax. The first thing is we pay tax on the profit or the income. So if your total collection is 20 lakhs, you can say that is not your income. The income is either, you can say the expenses are reduced from the same, or via presumptive system, your income is presumed at 50%. So technically, even if presumptive or in actual, एक average clinic owner के expenses are in the range of 45 to 55%. So let's assume those are at 50%. So if your expenses are presumed at 50, if you're earning, let's suppose 25 lakhs, half of that, 12.5 lakh is your income, number one. And from this income, you can claim deductions. Deductions like Section 80C, जिसमें आप PPF, Tax Saver Mutual Fund, ELSS, या किसी भी तरह की इन्वेस्टमेंट आप करते हैं, 80C के अंदर 1.5 लाख रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. If you invest in national pension scheme, 50,000 separately reduce कर सकते हैं. If you have a medical insurance up to 25,000 for you, yourself and for your nuclear family, you can do it. If your parents are above 60 years of age, you can claim an additional 50,000 for that. Let's keep the parents out of this window. So if you are doing that, technically 1.5 plus 50 plus 25 is 2.25. So 12.5 में से आप 2.25 निकाल दीजिए तो 10,25,000 is your income. I'm just telling you the broad figures so that you don't get confused. अब फिर भी इंडिया में ये, this is the notion that people will pay tax at 30%. No, we have slabs. 0 to 2.5 pays nothing. 2.5 to 5 pays 5%. 5 to 10 pays 20%, and above 10, the additional amount is only charged 30%. What does this mean? This means that it is a progressive system of taxation. चाहे वो मुकेश अंबानी है, चाहे वो गौतम अदानी है, चाहे वो डॉक्टर भवदीप हो जाए, we all go through this progressive system of taxation for our personal income tax returns. Of course, मैंने अदानी अंबानी जी का नाम इसलिए लिया, उनका कंपनी और उनका सिस्टम कैलकुलेशन का डिफरेंट है, but if I am talking about the personal point of view, that is what I'm trying to explain. So if my income is after deductions is 10.25 lakhs, which means 10,25,000, तो मैं 0 से 2.5 दूंगा. 0, 2.5 से 5 at 5% I will pay 12,500. From 5 to 10 at 20% I will pay 1 lakh. So मेरी 10 लाख तक की इनकम का टैक्स हो गया 1,12,500. And on additional 25,000 rupees, I pay 30% tax, which is 7,500 rupees. So 1,12,500 plus 7,500, it is 1,20,000 plus 4% surcharge or higher education cess, which is common for every slab. So technically speaking, by having a gross collection of 25 lakhs from your clinic, you are just paying 1,20,000 rupees of tax. Whereas the common notion is 25 lakhs into 30%, 7.5 lakh रुपए tax क्यों देना है गवर्नमेंट को? You're paying just 1,20,000. This is to be noted. Number two, the notion. I pay tax on all my corpus. For example, मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में 30 लाख है ऑलरेडी, पिछले साल के कैरिड फॉरवर्ड है फ्रॉम माय अकाउंट्स, एंड इस साल की मेरे इनकम है एज वी कैलकुलेटेड 12.5 लाख. उसमें से deductions लिया मैंने 10.25 लाख. Let's suppose, so I will be charged, you can say, income tax on this year's income only. That 30 lakh does not attract any tax. Yes, उसके ऊपर कोई इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा या कोई मैंने उसको इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है और बैंक में आइडल पड़ा है तो वो इंटरेस्ट गेन कर रहा है, तो दैट इज अगेन एडेड एज माय इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज. बट उस इनकम के ऊपर ब्रॉडली ये प्रोग्रेसिव सिस्टम वाला टैक्सेशन नहीं लगेगा. नंबर 3, गिफ्ट. If somebody gifts me a kith and kin or a blood relative, or you can say even your husband, your wife or your spouse can gift you, and that amount is tax free, 100% tax free. Why do I say that? Because this gift tax was abolished long ago in the late 90s, probably 1998. So you need to understand, yes, वो जो gift आपके account में आएगा, it starts earning interest, कुछ भी interest income आएगी, that interest income is taxable in, as I said, income from other sources. So first notion, we don't pay tax on the total income, we pay progressive taxation. Number 2, we don't pay tax on the wealth portion. Wealth tax again has been abolished in India long back. Number 3, gift tax. It has been abolished long time in India. So if this video has helped you out in any way, please do like, share, and with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe to my channel. And surely, please keep on watching this channel for further news. Bye-bye. Take care. I see you soon in the next video on Saturday.